Collegetown Court, we're going to see apartment number 500. This is a 5-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. We're on the top floor of this 5-floor building. The layout of this apartment is unique because we'll enter through a long hallway. Today we'll start by going through the hallway and then we'll hop through the bedrooms. A lot of people like this hallway because it's a good place to put your shoe racks and different shelving. Okay, as we come around the corner, we'll start the bedrooms first. Here's the first bedroom. These first 2 bedrooms face to the west. So we'll take a peek out the window. We do have some nice views out here. And we're going to come around the apartment. We'll see the next bedroom, bedroom 2. Also facing west. Now I know you remember from our other videos that the furnishings in the bedrooms will always include the full-size bed, dresser, desk and chair, and bookshelf. Directly across the hall from the second bedroom is the bathroom. Now this bathroom on floor 5 is a renovated bathroom. You'll see the newer vanity, got that nice medicine cabinet with expanded storage space in here and the full-size standing tub shower. That's a really nice bathroom. The other floors will have the bathrooms that you've seen in the other videos, the standard bathroom. Well, let's come into the living space next. So you can see we've got the sofa and easy chair, coffee table, end table. There's the TV. And take a peek at the kitchen. We're going to go around to the next bedrooms. So the third bedroom is in the corner. And you can see this one has 2 windows. So we're facing Dryden Road here. We're at the front of the Collegetown Court building. You can see the Brazano Family Center across from us at Central Collegetown. We're just steps up from the corner of College Ave and Dryden Road here at Collegetown Court. So it's a fantastic location that we've got here. Let's come back out and we'll see the next of the front bedrooms, this middle room in the front, 4th room. Again, with the same furnishings. And we're on Dryden Road, facing south. And here's our final bedroom, bedroom number 5. Again, these 3 in the front are the same size. They all have a closet as well. As we come out of this one, we'll also take a look quickly at the kitchen here in this apartment. So you can see the kitchen has this stove and a microwave and a dishwasher and sink and refrigerator, some good cabinet and drawer space. So that's a look at number 500 in Collegetown Court. We're in the 5th floor. This building is located at 208 Dryden Road. We have this layout of apartment on floors 3, 4, and 5. 5th floor has the renovated bathroom. That's the one we're in today. Floor number 2 has the same layout of apartment. However, that one has an additional bathroom. So number 200 is 5 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. We're at Collegetown Court. We're here at 208 Dryden Road. We're just 1 block from campus.